Have you ever imagined what it would be like if the night sky was unlit by just one moon? But two, what if Earth had two natural satellites, both large and bright? What would happen to ocean tides, nighttime life, or even the Earth's rotation? In this video, we'll explore a fascinating scenario. What if Earth had two moons? Let's start with a big question. How could Earth have two moons? This scenario could happen if an object similar in size to our moon was captured by Earth's gravity and settled into a stable orbit. Or perhaps in the early days of the solar system, Earth once had two moons, one of which collided with the other. This idea has even been proposed by scientists. So now, imagine it. Two moons orbiting Earth. One is in the position we know today, and the other slightly farther out, or closer, depending on its trajectory. They might appear different in size depending on their distance. At night, the sky would be twice as bright during double full moons, or show surreal views when one moon is a crescent and the other is full. The first major impact: ocean tides. Just one moon already pulls trillions of liters of water. With two moons, tides would become more complex, higher, and more frequent. We could see more than 2 high and low tides per day. For humans, this would mean major changes to coastlines, fishing activities, and even city planning. Some beaches might flood regularly, and marine ecosystems could shift dramatically. And the gravitational pull wouldn't stop there. It could also affect Earth's rotation. The planet might rotate more slowly due to stronger tidal friction. That means longer days, and maybe even longer nights. Two moons would also change biological rhythms for many animals and plants. Some species, like turtles, insects, and migratory birds, rely on moonlight for navigation. With two sources of light, they could become confused or breed at the wrong times. For humans, nighttime would never be as dark as before. The sky would be brighter on most nights, reducing how many stars we could see. Ancient people might have never discovered constellations because the moons outshined the stars. And if the two moons had different phases, one full, one crescent, the night sky would feel completely alien. But two moons in the sky aren't without risk. If their orbits were too close or unstable, they could start pulling on each other. This could lead to a lunar collision, a catastrophic event that would create massive debris around Earth, maybe even forming rings like Saturn. Some of that debris might fall to Earth as giant meteors, triggering global disasters. So in reality, a two-moon Earth might end in chaos. Now let's think about culture. For thousands of years, humans have relied on the moon's phases to track time and hold religious ceremonies. With two moons, calendars would become far more complicated. One moon could represent fertility, the other death or war. Folklore, mythology, and astrology would evolve very differently. There might be two lunar zodiac systems or festivals during nights with two full moons. Ancient civilizations would likely view them as divine symbols. So, could Earth really have two moons? Technically, Earth does sometimes capture temporary mini-moons, small asteroids that orbit for a short time. But having two large, stable moons, it's almost impossible without major consequences. Still, this scenario shows us just how dynamic our solar system can be. The world we see as stable could change dramatically with the arrival of just one more celestial body. And now, the next time you look up at the night sky, imagine, what if not one, but two moons were staring back at you? If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next cosmic adventure. See you in the skies.